Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Nidorina from Pokemon. To start drawing Nidorina, I lightly drew a circle. Once I'm done drawing the circle, I'm going to draw two guidelines, one going vertically and one going horizontally. After that, I'm going to draw two more guidelines, one on the left and one on the right. The guidelines are going to look like a square, and this will be the shape of the ears. Once you're done drawing the guidelines, you can see the shape of Nidorina's head. And these 2 points are going to be the eyes right here. So starting from the left side, we're going to draw the eye. I'm drawing a line going down, and using the circle, just curving this line down too and connecting it all together for the left eye. Now I'm going to move over to the right side, giving space from the left eye. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line going up just like this, and at the end right over here I'm drawing a curved line going down, and using the guideline I'm connecting it all together for the right eye of Nidorina. Once I'm done with that, I'm moving to the left side. I'm going to draw one line going down like this. This is the pupil. Moving over to the right, I'm just going to draw a circle, and for both of the eyes, left and right, I'm just going to draw a small circle inside for the highlight of Nidorina. After that, I'm going to draw a line going down from the left eye. This is going to be the shape of Nidorina's nose. So I'm drawing a curved line going down and a curved line going up, and I'm going to make a wiggly line for the mouth of Nidorina. So I'm just going to curve the line going down and making a sharp point for the mouth, and gonna slightly curve it up. Looks like it's going to smile. At the corner, I'm just drawing a small triangle for Nidorina's tooth sticking out. Down below over here, I'm just going to draw a small curved line for the jaw. Moving up top right over here, this is going to be the left ear. For drawing the ears, I don't know how to explain in details how to draw it, so I'm going to let you watch what I'm doing to give you an idea how to draw it. Once you're done drawing the ears, we're going to draw 3 details for the face of Nidorina. Starting from the bottom right here, we're just going to draw a small dash for the nose, and for the eyelids, we're just going to draw 2 small lines. For the guidelines that we lightly drew before, I am going to erase it. Alright, we drew the head of Nidorina. Now we're going to start drawing the body. To start drawing the body, I'm drawing a guideline. I'm lightly drawing a square-like shape. Inside the body of Nidorina, I'm going to imagine the 2 arm positions. One is going to be right here and the other one is going to be right there. Starting from the left side here, I'm lightly drawing a rectangle and using the guideline for the arms. And on the right side, I'm going to do the same thing, but it's going to be in the middle, just right here, lightly drawing a rectangle. Now I'm going to draw the left arm for Nidorina. So I'm going to use the guidelines just to darken it, and at the bottom right over here I'm just going to draw 3 triangles for the claws. For this arm right here, it's going to be the same thing that we drew before. I'm going to use the guidelines to darken the lines, and at the end I'm going to draw 3 triangles for the claws. Right here, I'm using the guideline to draw the inside belly of Nidorina. Okay, now we're gonna draw the back of Nidorina. Right here, I just drew a small curved line for the back of the head, and now I'm gonna draw two triangles. One right here is gonna be the big triangle, so I'm just gonna draw a big triangle for the back, and right behind it, I'm just gonna draw another triangle, and it's gonna be a little bit smaller. Once we're done drawing the two spikes for the back, we're gonna move down right over here to draw the leg. To draw the leg right here, I'm just lightly drawing two curved lines just like this. And at the bottom, I'm drawing three triangles just like we did before for the arms. Once we're done drawing this leg, we're going to move over to the left side. So starting from this corner right here, I'm drawing a curved line going down and curving it in to this arm. And right over here, I'm drawing a triangle, and I'm going to draw another triangle below it, just like this. Right here, I'm going to start drawing the tail. To draw the tail, I'm just going to draw a curved line going up and shaping it back to the leg like a triangle. Lastly, we're going to draw the freckles of Nidorina. To draw the freckles, I'm just randomly drawing a circular shape. At the top right here, I'm drawing a small curved line. Moving over to the bottom right here, I'm drawing another curved line for the belly of Nidorina. And that's it! You're all done drawing Nidorina! For the rest of the video, I'm going to put into a time lapse to show you my outlining and colored version of Nidorina. Enjoy! Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.